Alright guys, so the next one we got is an assisted push-up. There's a few different ways you can do yourself an assisted push-up. So if you're relatively strongish, okay, you can use the back of a chair this way. So what you're going to do, you're going to come this way, okay, get a sturdy chair. This isn't so great, but a big sturdy chair in your house. Keep your body nice and straight like a plank, and you're going to take your body down, touch the back of the chair, and come back up, okay? So just like the suspension trainer, the higher up that you go, the easier it gets. The lower you go to the floor, the harder it gets. And this could be a really challenging exercise for you, which would mean that you're going to come up to a higher, higher level. So you could use a bench top or just a higher surface for you to do that. If again that's too hard, you can even come through a wall this way, and you can do a press up against the wall. That'll be a very, very easy basic exercise. Next one, what we'll do though, we'll use the chair again, and we're going to go down into a kneeling position. All right, and you're going to use the chair to do this, or the couch, or whatever you're going to do, or in the gym, whatever. Chest up nice and tall. You're going to take it down and push back up. Okay, down and push back up. And that's the other variation. I've just got one more, which is on the floor. Okay, so get into a normal press up position, pop your knees on the floor, and then you're going to bring yourself down. So the idea of it is you're not going to be head banging the floor this way. Your body's nice and straight, and you're trying to bring your chest to the middle, to the floor. If that's too hard though, just practice going as low as you possibly can, and the stronger you get over time, you'll be able to go down all the way to the floor, and then eventually onto a full press up. Okay, so I'm not going to show the full press up. That's usually too much for a lot of people, and those variations are going to be the way you're going to start from now.